Positive battery terminal. Shoc-Krome plated output. Impact-resistant covers for extreme durability. 1 4-gauge, 1 1/0 gauge and 2 8-gauge outputs. Set screw-style terminals for a secure connection. Top reviews from the United States. Nice battery terminals. Had to replace my discontinued battery terminals for an easier-to-remove type. These fit the bill and look good. Good quality and good price. Use Stinger in all my car audio systems. Really nice battery terminal and high quality. Holds on to the post extremely well. Nice that you can run power wire and amp of it. Does a pretty simple job. Overall, all happy with the terminal. A+ for Stinger products. This was the perfect replacement for my stock battery terminal. My 0-gauge and 8-gauge wires fit perfectly and are secured tightly by this terminal.